I take your seat.
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, sir. This is my application letter.
Good morning. So, you are Harold Gondesa?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
First of all, I am Harold Villaverde Contesa, 22 years old. I'm residing at Barangay Maduldolon, Araceli, Palawan. I was born on February 12, 2003. I'm second son of six siblings. I was graduated of my college in Palawan City University, Roas Campus, as the degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
So, my second question is, what is your greatest strength?
For me, sir, my greatest strength is in my life is my parents, my family, because they inspired me to work and hard and take steps to overcome poverty. They are the reason why I work hard to finish my studies because their sacrifice are no jokes just to support me in my studies even when life is very difficult.
My third question is, what is your greatest weakness?
For me, sir, my greatest weakness in my life are poverty and also as a financial assistance, my family problem, and also when I get sick.
Okay. So, what makes you unique?
For me, I'm a unique because I have my own abilities and talents that only I know about, and I'm unique because I have a charisma that only I can see whether externally or internally.
Okay, that's impressive. Okay, Mr. Condesa, this is my last question. How do you handle failure?
For me, sir, I can say that every challenge or every failure I go through, I can handle it because the Lord and my family, who are my inspiration, are always with me. That's why whenever there are failures that come into my life, I don't let myself drown in worrying about how to survive. It because I just go with the flow. You don't need to stress to be successful because you'll only get to more depressed. You just need to be calm. Even if you fail at the first, just to try the second, and there are still my chance to try. I always believe that when the Lord is with you, nothing is impossible in your dreams.
Okay, congratulations, Mr. Condesa.
Thank you, sir.